Plant FAQs. Hosta Gold Standard. Hosta Gold Standard. Frequently asked questions by FurbVu. For those seeking a vibrant and low-maintenance addition to their shade garden, the Hosta Gold Standard stands out as a champion. This beloved perennial boasts a unique combination of stunning foliage and easy care, making it a favorite among gardeners of all experience levels. Over the years, I've fielded many questions about this remarkable hosta. Here, I'll address some of the most common inquiries to help you decide if the Hosta Gold Standard is the perfect fit for your landscaping needs. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Hosta Gold Standard special? The Hosta Gold Standard truly lives up to its name. Its captivating feature is the foliage. Mature plants develop a dense, cascading mound of wide, oval leaves. A unique characteristic is the seersucker texture. These gently rippled leaves boast a vibrant chartreuse hue, adding a burst of color to shady areas. The beauty doesn't stop there. In midsummer, the Hosta Gold Standard produces delicate, funnel-shaped flowers in shades of pinkish purple. While the flowers are lovely, the foliage is truly the star of the show. How does the Hosta Gold Standard compare to other hostas? There are hundreds of hosta varieties available, each with its own unique characteristics. Here's a quick comparison to help you see how the Gold Standard stacks up. Size. The Hosta Gold Standard reaches a mature height of 20 to 22 inches, with a spread of up to 50 inches. This places it in the medium to large size range for hostas. Growth rate. This is a vigorous grower, forming its impressive mound quickly. Sun preference. Like most hostas, the Gold Standard thrives in shade to partial shade. It's not tolerant of full sun. Pest and disease resistance. This is a champion in the resilience department. The Hosta Gold Standard boasts excellent resistance to pests and diseases, making it a low-maintenance choice. How to care for Hosta Gold Standard. Planting your Hosta Gold Standard is a breeze. Choose a location with well-drained soil and afternoon shade. Amending the soil with compost before planting is beneficial. Space your plants 2 to 3 feet apart to allow for mature growth. Here's a quick guide to keeping your Hosta Gold Standard happy. Watering. Water regularly, especially during hot and dry periods. Aim for moist, but not soggy soil. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilizing. While not essential, a balanced fertilizer applied in early spring can promote healthy growth. Dividing. The Hosta Gold Standard can be divided every 3 to 5 years to create new plants. Is the Hosta Gold Standard deer resistant? Deer generally find hostas unpalatable due to a compound called saponin. However, hungry deer may occasionally nibble on them, particularly in areas with limited food sources. Planting hostas in groups and using deer repellent can help deter browsing. Does the Hosta Gold Standard come back every year? Yes, the Hosta Gold Standard is a perennial. It dies back to the ground in the fall and returns in the spring. Can I grow the Hosta Gold Standard in containers? Absolutely. The Hosta Gold Standard thrives in containers as long as the pot is large enough to accommodate its mature size and drainage holes are present. Conclusion. The Hosta Gold Standard is a stunning and easy-to-care-for perennial that brings life to shady areas. Its vibrant foliage and resilience to pests and diseases make it a popular choice for gardeners of all levels. With its minimal needs and captivating beauty, the Hosta Gold Standard is sure to become a treasured addition to your shade garden.